single hands up with deep breathing, leg to leg sitting, tongue twisting sitting position, single leg press and push, single leg raise up to 90 degree, sit up, back push,
2, 3,
back arching and toe touching,
5, 5 हाथ दाओ, आंगुले हाथ दाओ भाई।